Hi, as you know, I'm Denise Miller, your Leadership Lady Live, and this weekend we celebrate Memorial Day. Let's remember that it's much more than a barbecue or even a family gathering, but Memorial Day is about remembering those who died in service to our country. As we remember them, their families, perhaps children that were left behind when they died, let's think in terms of the fact that they fought to preserve the freedom that we hold so dear. And also, as we remember those who are in our armed forces, let's be grateful. Let's be grateful for those who submitted to the draft almost 70 years ago. Let's be grateful to those who have chosen to enlist in the years since, who have followed the orders, gone to the hard places, lived the difficult lives. Some of them who never, ever thought that they would die at such a young age, and the families who thought that they would never lose these men and women at such young ages. And let's take time to be grateful. Let's also take time to be grateful for the legacy of courage, the legacy of self effacement, just allowing themselves to die. I think of the words of Jesus when he said, greater love has no man than a man who would lay down their lives for a friend, or a woman for that matter, because many women have died in service to this country. As you think about their deaths and think about what their deaths have allowed us to live over all of these years, let's take a moment to be grateful. Let's take a moment to lay down our lives. Perhaps not to die, but definitely to help a stranger. Definitely to be kind to someone to whom no one is showing kindness. Also, to regard how our actions will affect other people. Remember, this is more than a barbecue holiday. This is more than a family gathering holiday. This is a holy day where we remember those who have given their lives up in service to our country so that we can have those barbecues and family gatherings without any worry or distress about not being able to. I wish you a peaceful Memorial Day. And yes, enjoy the barbecue, enjoy your family, and also remember those who did not get the chance to.